How to stop apps from downloading automatically on your iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to stop apps from downloading automatically on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off automatic downloads and updates without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, select App Store from the list. Look for the Automatic Downloads section. Here, you'll find options that control how apps are downloaded and updated on your iPhone. The App Downloads option can automatically install apps that you've downloaded or purchased on your other Apple devices. You'll also find the App Updates option, which allows your iPhone to automatically install available updates for your apps. If you don't want apps to download or update automatically, simply turn both options off. After that, your apps won't automatically download or update, and you can choose when to install updates manually. And that's how you can stop apps from downloading automatically on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.